Hi students of 9th class, welcome back. We have been discussing about the lesson, the lost child. And we have already seen the situations. It was the occasion of festival of spring. The little child was going to the fair with his parents. He was attracted towards different kinds of things on either side of the road. But his parents refused to buy anything for him. कुछ खरीद के दिया क्या? No. Child became unhappy. उनको पता था his father would never buy anything for him. Then what happened? He was lost in the crowd. He lost his father and mother. वो भी इतना भीड़ है. Then he noticed a man there. एक आदमी वहां पे आ गया, उनको वो भीड़ से बचा लिया. Then the man tried to soothe him. Soothe करना, quieten, शांत करना. Quieten the boy by taking him to the roundabouts. Roundabout जानते ना, वो लार्ज रिवॉल्विंग डिवाइस जिसमें लोग बैठ के रिवॉल्व कर रहे, वहां पे ले गई. फिर पूछा, बेटा, विल यू हैव ए राइड ऑन ए हॉर्स? बेटा, डू यू वांट टू हैव ए राइड ऑन द हॉर्स? घोड़े के ऊपर सवारी करोगे? ही जेंटली आस्क्ड एज ही अप्रोच्ड द रिंग. रिंग के पास आते ही, अप्रोचिंग द रिंग, वो बच्चे से पूछा, बेटा, डू यू वांट टू हैव ए राइड ऑन द हॉर्स? The child's throat tore into 1,000 shrill sobs. हजारों तीखी श्रिल्ली आवाज उनके गले से निकल गया. And he only shouted. इतना ही चिल्लाया. He did not want anything. देखो, सबसे पहले, पापा, I want the garlands. पापा, I want the balloons. पापा, I want the toffee. I want the sweets. But now he did not want anything. उनका गले से एक ही आवाज आ गया. I want my father. I want my mother. The man headed towards the place where the snake charmer still played on the flute to the swaying cobra. वो आदमी इनको ले गए, वो स्नेक चार्मर के पास, सपेरे के पास. वो वहां पे क्या कर रहा? Still he was playing the flute in front of the swaying, moving cobra. Listen to that nice music. बेटा, वो सुंदर गाना सुनो, वो सुंदर म्यूजिक सुनो. Before losing his parents, he was very much attracted to the sound. पहले कैसे थे? वो गाने में प्रभावित होके वहां पे खड़ा हो रहा था. लेकिन now he did not have any interest. Listen to that music. He pleaded, he requested. But the child shut his ears with his fingers. अपना फिंगर से कान बंद कर दिया. And shouted his double pitched strain. Strain here means effort, force. Double pitched force में चिल्ला के बोल रहे, I want my mother, I want my father. The man took him near the balloons. उसके बाद ये आदमी को कहां ले गए? बैलून्स के पास ले गए. Thinking, ये सोच के, the bright colors of the balloons would distract, रोकना, prevent the child's attention and quieten him. शायद अंकल ने ये सोचा, ये बैलून का ब्राइट कलर ये बच्चों को क्या करेंगे? क्वाइटन करेंगे. Would you like a rainbow colored balloon? बेटा, वो रेनबो कलर्ड बैलून चाहिए क्या? He persuasively, in a convincing manner, asked. लेकिन the child turned his eyes from the flying balloons and just sobbed, cried, I want my father, I want my mother. So before, we had already noticed that the child, he had attention, attraction to everything. लेकिन अभी किसी में भी उनको ध्यान नहीं. He did not want to hear anything. He did not want to see anything. अब इनके माइंड में एक ही विचार था, he wanted his parents. The man, still trying to make the child happy, carried him to the gate where the flower seller sat. जहां पे वो गार्लैंड बेचने वाला बैठ रहे थे वहां ले गए. Look, देखो बेटा, can you smell those nice flowers? Can you smell those nice flowers? Child, would you like to have a garland to put around your neck? गले में डालने के लिए माला चाहिए क्या? हार चाहिए क्या? चलो मैं खरीद कर दूंगा. The child turned his nose away from the basket and repeated his cry. Repeat कर रहे, नहीं, I want my father, I want my mother. इतना तीखी आवाज में वो बच्चा चिल्लाया. क्या करे? Thinking to humor his disconsolate, unhappy charge here means the boy, buy a gift of sweets. अब ये सोचा ये अनहैप्पी लड़के को कुछ मिठाई से, स्वीट से क्वाइटन करेंगे. The man took him to the counter of the sweet shop. वो स्वीट शॉप की काउंटर पे ले गए. What sweets would you like, child? बेटा तुम्हें कौन सा स्वीट चाहिए, कौन सा स्वीट पसंद करते? He asked. The child turned his face from the sweet shop and only sobbed, I want my mother, I want my father. So here in this lesson we can see two different images of the child. One happy while the other is unhappy. जब वो पापा मम्मी के साथ थे दुनिया उनके लिए बिल्कुल ब्राइट थे. He wanted everything. He was attracted towards everything. लेकिन when he lost his parents, देखो सब कुछ नष्ट हो गया. He did not have any interest in anything. So आप क्या सोच रहे? ये लड़का did he find his parents back? हाँ, हम ये आशा करेंगे he got his parents back. So I think you have enjoyed the lesson. So we shall come back with another lesson in the next class. Thank you. Thank you very much.